Hi, my name is Amy from Sugar Me Aesthetics. I'm a skin therapist since 2007, and today we're going to be performing a treatment on Christian focusing on anti-aging. Using microneedling latest technology, DermaPen 4, we're able to infuse 1,920 needles in your skin per second. DermaPen's latest technology, Meso Glide, concentrates. It's reversing signs of aging and visible scarring. When you're treating aging, you're going down into the dermis. So we do want to get a little bit of pinpoint bleeding, but it's not an excessive amount of blood.
Yeah.
When people show those type of videos or those treatments, you're actually going far too deep. There's no benefit in going down into that layer, but it is very beneficial going into the dermis layer of your skin. So first we'll start by cleansing your skin.
And for sunshine, it should be out of the sun for 2-3 weeks or anything like that?
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah. No direct sunlight for the first couple days.
Yeah.
And of course, wear sun protection. So DermaPen actually has created their own sun protection, which is SPF 30, but it also has hyaluronic acid, copper peptides, which are really, really good for the skin. And then as well, they also have kind of like a foundation type style, which can give you coverage as well. So if you do get any redness from the microneedling, it also reduces the appearance of redness in the skin. Just adding water to emulsify this cleanser a little bit. So now I'll just rinse off the cleanser. It's a bit warm. Now we're using a micro exfoliant, and this is just gently resurfacing the skin, removing any dead skin cells. To even out the skin's complexion and prepare it for microneedling. A lot of guys have this association with skincare treatments being primarily for the women. I think guys should have good skin as well. And also, like, for the business perspective, like businessmen, I find it's really common that they like to take care of their skin because looks sell. What's nice about microneedling as well is that you're able to treat those deeper layers of the skin. With classic facials, you definitely get a result and your skin looks really, really good afterwards. But what I personally like about microneedling is that you get this long-lasting result, and it's really treating so many different problems in the skin. I know you mentioned that your main focus today is anti-aging, but it also will help with pigmentation. It'll bring back brightness and life to your skin. It dilates the pores. It tightens them right up.
Yeah.
The entire microneedling process maybe only takes maximum 10 minutes. Now I'm going to use this next product, which is just sanitizing the skin. It's called CliniPrep. It's kind of like a toner, and it smells a little bit like chlorine. So that's just finalizing the disinfecting. So this is the sterile needle. So no risk for cross-contamination. So I'll just insert it into the pen. You're asking how it works. So you just insert that part, and once it's locked, you can't remove it and use it again. Pre-setting the needle to a depth that I think we might be able to go. So now I'm just putting on the Meso Glide solution, which is the one for reversing signs of aging and scarring. So another thing we're trying to do is create a controlled redness in your skin. This is really nice. So you're getting a little bit of the pinpoint bleeding as I was talking about. So I'll come to this cheek area. So what I'm doing is I'm creating these patterns in your skin, so I make sure I cover out absolutely every section of your skin. I know. Thick skin. Thick. Good.
All right.
And finally, we'll just put the mask on. This is a really nice, calming, soothing mask.
Right.
It's a sheet mask with copper peptides, hyaluronic acid. So now I'll just grab the cooling pads. And these cooling pads just help me penetrate the active ingredients in the mask deeper into the skin. And the cooling sensation just makes it feel nice. And if you want as well, after 3 to 4 days when you use your sheet mask at home, you can have it in the fridge as well if you like that cooling sensation. Cool. Yeah, men typically produce a lot more fatty oil in the skin. So often men do, like you said, have enlarged pores. So it's nice that it just cleans it out and that it constricts it. It really tightens up the pores. It's normal and natural after you wash your face for the first time that it can feel a little bit dry and tight and maybe even really red. Yeah. But as soon as you put on the serum, the cream, and the Cover Recover product, which is the sunscreen, everything will just calm down and seal in.
Perfect.
Yeah. So now I'm going to remove your mask. I have some fresh gloves on now. I'll just remove it from the ears. Nice. It looks really, really, really good. I'm just rubbing all the excess mask serums. Yep. You'll find that when you wear the mask at home, since you'll probably have it on for 20-30 minutes, you'll find that it'll just all absorb. Especially after 2 to 3 days, your skin does tend to be a little bit more dry, so your skin will just soak in all these nice active ingredients from the mask. I just love that it can treat so many different problems with the skin, that it's not just deep pore cleansing. Yeah. I mean, you're dealing with the pores, you're working with the collagen, the elastin, your natural hyaluronic acid. You're really able to get so many different layers of the skin, whereas with normal skincare treatments, you're typically working just in the epidermis, which is just the top layer of your skin. By using microneedling, you're creating these essential holes in your skin so that your body can naturally go and repair itself. And that's why we allow the 6 to 8 week time for your skin to fully regenerate. And then by you going home and continuing with DP Dermaceuticals, not only is it safe for your skin, but it has the science and research to back up the microneedling technology in making sure that you not only have safe results, but you actually have results. So I find with some clinics, if they're not using DP Dermaceuticals, their clients may not be feeling like they're getting the results that they kind of hoped for. So it is crucial, and it is considered, as DP Dermaceuticals say, that it's non-negotiable. And I really truly believe this because I have seen the results for the clients that have stuck to the recommendation. So the starter kit that you're taking today, it's actually good for an entire month. As long as you're doing microneedling, you should be using DP Dermaceutical products. Got it. So now I'll just put one more layer of this cocktail. It's called Antioxidant Cocktail. It's really nourishing and protecting your skin. Do you feel any tingling sensation going on?
It's tingling. It feels tight.
Stimulated.
Yeah,
exactly.
Yeah, right.
So now I'm using this final cream, which is the Vitamin Rich Repair, which you'll find in your starter kit as well. This is nourishing and protecting your skin. I'll just rub it all in until it's fully absorbed, and then we'll put the final layer, which is the Cover Recover, which has the copper peptides, hyaluronic acid, and also it's like a camouflage. So in a way it's a makeup, but it also has the SPF 30 as well. So it's protecting your skin. A lot of people think, oh, I don't need sunscreen during the winter months. That's actually a huge false
it's you're always getting sun.
You're always exposed to the sun and the daylights, which are harmful with the UVA, UVB rays. But even the, if you think about it, the pollution that we have, being especially in Stockholm City, I mean, think about when you're going down into the tunnelbana or if you're going to public transportation, just walking out on the street, all the pollution that is in the air. Your skin is open now. You don't want any free radical damage to enter into your skin. We're really trying to fix your skin. We're reversing the signs of aging, and it's important to protect your skin, equally important as it is to treat the skin. Now I'll just take a little bit of the Cover Recover, which is that one, and you just warm it up in your hands, and then you pat it. You should never rub the skin. especially post microneedling.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm just finishing up blending here. So when you do it at home too, you can absolutely go around the eyes as well and go a little bit into the beard so that it doesn't look obvious that you have anything on your skin. For me, this looks like a perfect match. So this color is called Tawny. This one you can use during the day, and then you can use the sheer or the clear at nighttime.
Okay.
How does that feel?
Very good. Feels wonderful.
Yeah. I'll just grab the mirror so you can have a look at your skin.
Perfect.
I think I blended it nicely around the beard. Ready to see your skin?
Yep. Awesome.
Have a look.
Oh, wow. Looks amazing. Yeah.
It's
great.
not that red, right?
No, it's not red. That's fine. No, it was amazing. I'm
Yeah.
going back and do this again. It's incredible.
Okay,
Yeah, I'm really
amazing.
impressed.
I'm
Yeah.
super excited to see the results.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
It was great.